agriculture machinery that applies fertilizer to the soil. A worker cuts a new tread on an old tire. Hot tire asphalt repair. Modern and amazing water faucet. Automatic door hook making machine. Special paint remover. Upgraded axe for quick wood splitting. Hand tool for bending small metal pipes. Tool for quick cleaning of metal from rust. Modern heavy equipment to facilitate the work of people. Master make shoes by hand. Handmade device for quick chopping of firewood. The process of pouring and polishing the floor. The result is a beautiful and durable floor. Vibrating wheel polishing machine. As a result of polishing, metal discs become like new. The process of applying sealant in the manufacture of the engine. Excavator extract salt. Reliable way to connect conductors. The process of making spectacle lenses. This is how decorative gypsum tiles are made. Stencil for cleaning contaminated concrete road. Rivet cleaning machine. Homemade waste oil banner. Equipment for rapid extraction of stamps. Equipment for automatic rewinding of transformers. Worker collects long grass for export. Demonstration of the effectiveness of a new superglue. Metal pipe precision cutting machine. Cordless hair trimmer. Bonding fluid for sand. Production process of ceramic tiles. What do you think is inside?